Okay, so it's about 3 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go to the airport to finally go home after traveling all over the place. But I wanted to show you how I fly with my firearm. So this is the gun case I have. When you're traveling with a firearm, and specifically flying with a firearm, it needs to be in a hard case. So I have this Berries one that I really like, and it's really big. In here I have both my competition handguns as well as my carry gun. They're empty. I don't have any magazines in there or ammo. Your ammo has to be stored separately from your firearms when you're traveling, when you're flying. So I'm gonna close it up. Then you gotta have locks on it, and every hole in your case has to be locked. So this one has 2, so I'll lock both of those. Now you can choose TSA locks. For me, I don't like using the TSA locks and them having access to my firearms while I'm not around. So I like having my own locks. That way they have to come and get me and I open it in front of them. That way they're not alone with my guns. Okay, in place. Now I'm gonna place it in the top of my bag. This is my hard case that I put this is my hard case suitcase that I put my hard case firearms in. Ammo has to be under 11 pounds for most of the airlines. And I've shot quite a bit of ammo, so I'm like way under the limit right now. Close it up. Now, this suitcase is ready to fly. It's important not to lose the key, so I keep it on a carabiner, and I have this fun little tab that I can connect directly to the inside of my travel backpack that goes on, that's my carry-on, so I never lose it. All right, so the next part is getting to the airport. So we'll go to the next video.